Want to delete text messages from your iPhone but not sure how? Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Guy Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to delete messages and entire conversations on iPhone. Now let's get started. To delete individual messages, open the Messages app and go to the conversation that contains the message you want to delete. Scroll to the message you want to remove, then press and hold the message bubble. This will bring up a pop-up menu. Select More. You'll now see a check mark next to the selected message. You can then delete this individual message. If you want to delete multiple messages from the conversation, tap Additional Message Bubbles to select more messages you want to remove. Then, tap the trash can icon in the bottom left corner. To confirm that you want to delete these messages, tap Delete. To delete an entire text conversation, you don't need to select each message individually. Instead, go to your list of conversations and find the one you want to remove. Swipe that conversation to the left to reveal the Delete button and tap it. To confirm, tap Delete at the bottom. That's all it takes to delete single or multiple messages or entire text conversations on an iPhone. Keep in mind that deleting messages on your device will not remove them for the other person in the conversation. If you change your mind and want to recover deleted messages, you can do so within 30 days. To learn how to recover deleted messages on iPhone, check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.